Hello guys, well I knew the Trent was going to be up today, so it's not quite gone over the banks, but anybody knows this part of Newark, and you've seen this, I think I've brought you times before when it's flooded. It's not far off now, but look at the power of that river at the minute. Sections have been closed off. So it doesn't take much to tip over the edge, does it, with the rain? Stopped raining now, but we've had several winds. Apparently there's another storm coming on its way. We'll have to see. So we can't pass beyond. Proper streaming, if that's the word, or the current is strong. Oh dear, the power of Mother Nature. Well, I ain't got my waders today, so I think I'll give that walk a miss. Well, the walk under there, that is. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to walk under there today. We'll give that walk away. I think I'm going to walk away. Oh God, look how high that is. And usually it sometimes goes over there. Fancy a swim? Yeah, you first. Go on then, have a swim. 'Cause I'm not swimming, you can. Go on then, have a swim in that. Time to chill, catch you later.